m plus 1 by m equivalent to 2. Always remember the flow chart. Don't forget the flow chart. What is a flow chart? Flow chart is a step-by-step process to solve a data sufficiency problem. First I will start with statement 1 alone. Greater than 1 or no answer. Then I will go to statement 2 alone. If I get greater than 1 or no answer, then I will go to statement 1 plus statement 2. Statement 1 plus statement 2. Again greater than 1 or no answer, answer is cannot be determined. Answer is cannot be determined. Let us do only this flow chart. First one for me is m square equivalent to 1. If m square equivalent to 1, m will be 1 or minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 by 1 is 2. 2 definite yes. Minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 is not equivalent to 2. I got to know. I cannot definitely say whether m is 1 or m is minus 1. Sometimes yes, sometimes 1. That means greater than 1 answer I am getting. Statement 1 alone is incorrect. M is less than 0. On a number line, anything to the left of 0 is a negative value. Negative value. Negative plus 1 by negative. 1 by negative is negative. Negative negative is negative. Negative negative. Is it equivalent to positive? Negative is not equivalent to positive. I can definitely say that negative is not equivalent to positive. What is the thing that we discussed in our trap? No is as good as yes. If you get a definite no, it is as good as a definite yes. Statement 2, I can definitely tell that negative cannot be equated with positive. That means answer for this question is statement B alone. Statement B alone will tell me definitely if m is less than 0, m plus 1 by m cannot be equated to 2. If m is less than 0, m plus 1 by m can never be equivalent to 2. Definitely I can say it. So statement B alone is incorrect. What you will do is, the reason why am I asking you to write this in your notebook is because you do not know the fundamental flow chart, how to do a flow chart, how to solve an data sufficiency question. You will combine this both. M square equivalent to 1, m is 1 or minus 1, m is less than 0. You will combine this both, m is minus 1. Then you will tick mark the answer statement 1 and 2 together. Remember my dear viewers, you will combine both the statements only when each and every statement is not giving you unique and a definite answer. When statement B is giving you a unique and definite answer, I will not combine. I will never combine if each statement uniquely is giving me an answer. I hope the point is clear. Answer for this question is statement B alone. Yesterday in my mini sectional test 1, I told you that 3 right answers in per section in a CAT examination, 99 percentile will become 99.8 percentile. 3 right answers in a question, 95 can become 98 percentile. 3 right answers in a section, 98 can become 99.8 percentile. You should learn the way it should be learned. You cannot do in anything that you make and go through an examination. These bank or any of the exams happens only once in a year. If you are not preparing in a systematic way and in that exam if you do not clear it, one more year you have to wait for it. First question clear? Second one, another question. Please write this question in your notebook. Write this question in your notebook. I am not interested in your solution. I am interested in telling where all you will do mistakes. Right? Otherwise my 15 years experience is underutilized. A into B into C is 30. A, B, C are natural numbers. It is clearly specified that A, B, C are natural numbers. 1 into 1 into 30, 1 into 2 into 15, 1 into 3 into 10, 1 into 5 into 6, 2 into 3 into 5. Let us check all the factors of 30. Is it over 1 over 2 over 3 over 5 over 6 over 10 over 15 over 30 over? All are over. This is according to the question. First I will start with statement 1 alone. Always I will start with statement 1 alone. A plus B plus C should be divisible by 4. 1 plus 1 plus 30, 32 is divisible by 4. 1 plus 2 plus 15, 18 is not divisible by 4. 14 is not divisible by 4. 1 plus 5 plus 6, 12 is divisible by 4. These are not divisible. That means A plus B plus C, I got two values. One is 32, another is 12. I did not get a unique answer. I got more than one answer. If you got more than one answer for statement 1 alone, then you have to go to statement 2 alone. What is statement 2 alone? None of ABC is a prime number. None of ABC is a prime number. ABC, here 2 is a prime number, here 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 2, 3 and 5 is a prime number. Yes, 1, 1, 30. Only one case is possible. So answer for this question is, the question is find the value of, let me define a question for it. Find A plus B plus C. Find A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C, I got a 32. I got a unique answer. Because I got a unique answer for this question is statement 2 alone. Answer for this question is statement 2 alone. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Why statement 2 alone is clear? Idea is clear. Second, warm up questions. We will solve some very good questions in today's class. Next one, third question. X is greater than y. He is asking, is x greater than y? That means I should say either definitely yes. Either I should say definitely yes or I should say definitely no. Definitely yes or definitely no. One, I should say this one. Because now remember, is x greater than y? He is not asking you the value of x and y. He is telling, tell me whether x is greater than y. That is why I wrote this line here. Now see here. Avoid calculations whenever possible. No need to find out the values of x and y. Find the correlation between x and y. Find the correlation between x and y. Right? X square greater than y square. Statement 1 is telling x square greater than y square. So you can take any value. You can take x square 9, y square 4, which makes this statement right. Is 9 greater than 4? Yes. You can take x square 3, y square 2. You can take x square as root 4, y square as root 1. Take any value which satisfies this equation. Any value. As long as x and y is a real number, take any value. X square is 9. X is nothing but plus or minus 3. Y is nothing but plus or minus 2. So if I take x and y, I will make a table. 3 2, 3 minus 2. Minus 3 2, minus 3 minus 2. Am I right? You can take positive and negative also. Right? 3 2, 3 minus 2, minus 3 2, minus 3 minus 2. Statement 1 is telling x square is greater than y square. All the cases x square is greater than y square. Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone. Is x greater than y? 3 is greater than 2. Yes. 3 is greater than minus 2. Yes. Minus 3 is greater than 2. No. Are you all with me? I am getting yes or no. That means I am getting greater than one answer. greater than 1 answer, statement 1 alone. Then I will go to statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone, when it is there, I do not have any statement 1. X is greater than 0. There is no value on y. Only he is talking about x. But the question is about x and y. So statement 1 alone, I cannot answer the question. I cannot answer the question. Why? Because he is only specifying about x. Now what I will do is, I will add statement 1 and 2. If I add statement 1 and 2, x square should be greater than y square, x should be greater than 0. That means these both the cases are eliminated. Is 3 greater than 2? Yes. Is 3 greater than minus 2? Yes. So, because I combined both the statements, these two are eliminated. I can definitely say that x is greater than y. Answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. I hope the idea is clear. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Idea clear? Statement 1 plus 2 together. I hope the idea is clear. Next, another question. Is x greater than y? Same thing, I will take the same thing, only a domain of x has become y. X square is greater than y square. X square is 9 and y square is 4. So x value will become plus or minus 3. Y value will become plus or minus 2. X and y, it is 3 2. It is 3 minus 2. It is minus 3 2. It is minus 3 minus 2. Statement 1, already we have discussed that statement 1 alone is not giving you more than one answer. I am getting it. Statement 2 only talks about y, but the question is about x and y. So statement will, I cannot answer. If I combine statement 1 and 2, if I combine statement 1 plus 2, y is greater than 0. These two cases. That means which all cases I can eliminate it. This case I can eliminate, this case I can eliminate. Is 3 greater than 2? Yes. Is minus 3 greater than 2? No. That means if I put the domain of y as greater than 0 and execute on a condition x square greater than y square, I got two answers, yes or no. So answer for this question is cannot be determined uniquely. Cannot be determined uniquely. I hope the idea is clear. Cannot be determined uniquely. I hope the idea is clear. Warm up questions, I hope it is clear. Now we will get into a very good questions. None of the questions whatever you are seeing in the video, you will see it in the regular textbooks. Most of them are conceptually created or understood the root cause of a problem. I hope it is clear. Right, now we will get into the original sheet based problems. Now we will get into it. I hope it is clear, right sir? Till now any doubts are there, kindly mention it in the live chat before we discuss all the tricky level questions. Tricky questions, kindly check everything because every question I am going to use it. Just 1 minute, I am moving all the slides because everything we are going to do it. I hope the first slide is clear. Data sufficiency, right? How that caselet will be there, how the questions are there. Each statement will have two options, statement 1 alone, statement 2 alone, both statements and everything. All the numbers used are real numbers. Kindly reply if everything is clear. Figures, if a line is drawn, it is considered to be a straight line. All the figures lie on a one plane unless and until angle is always greater than 0, right? Flow chart, 3 important key points to solve data sufficiency problem: uniqueness and definiteness. There is no assumptions, and follow the flow chart. Another important point, you will never combine both the statements without doing each statement independently. What are the traps? Just read one by one. Read one by one because all the tricky questions I am going to solve it right now. Tricky questions I am going to solve it. If a figure looks like a circle, if it is not given that it is a circle, you will not take it as a circle. No assumption. If nothing is mentioned, the variable is a real number. If we are doing statement 1 alone, you will not carry forward statement 2. If you are doing statement 2 alone, you will not use statement 1. Right? Definite no. All the varieties of questions I solved, unique answer, that is one variety. No is as good as yes, which already we did it. Different but unique answers, 3 idiots characters example. X prime number, definite yes. Making assumptions not allowed. Shall we all get some warm-up questions? Then we will get into an very good questions. Shall we all get into it? Kindly reply in the live chat if any doubts are there. I will read the live chat. If any student has got any doubts, I can take it up. Any live chat is there? Sir, we are celebrating Teachers Day, right? Any student who is watching this video, you are planning to write some examinations, any of the aptitude examination. For the first 10 students, we are giving a flat 30% discount. Flat 30% discount on account of these Teachers Day. Right after the class is over, you can call me. Only the students who speak to me will get this discount. In case my phone is busy, call or WhatsApp. We will give every slot. First 10 students who are interested. Sir, I want all your videos, which I want to clear it in first attempt. I do not know any of the concept that you are discussing. I want your help. I want your experiential content. Right after the class, you can call or WhatsApp. There will be a 30% special discount on account of Teachers Day will be given to the serious and interested students who WhatsApp or call me after the class, not right now. In case if you want to be the first 10 students, kindly SMS your name and an email number. SMS your name and an email number. Right after the class, I will, according to the SMSs, I will call you and I will tell you that you are at a number 7. I will give you a discount. Right? Interested students can avail this. Now, first question. What is the value of X? Listen carefully to each and every question. Nothing is specified about X. That means X is a real number. X is a real number. First mistake what students will do. X cube is a 2-digit odd number. If X cube is a 2-digit odd number, immediately they will take it as X value as a 3. 3 cube is 27. The mistake which you are doing here is, for X cube to be a 2-digit positive integer, X may or may not be a positive odd integer, 2-digit, statement 1 alone. Don't tick mark X equivalent to 3 and tell statement 1 alone is right. That is a biggest mistake. Statement 1 alone. X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. That means X can be 11 power 1 by 3. Yes or no? 11 power 1 by 3 power 3 is 11. 11 is a 2-digit positive integer. X could be 13 power 1 by 3. X could be 27 power 1 by 3. X could be the largest 2-digit number, 99 power 1 by 3. Now tell me, why these values are not possible? Why are you taking X value only as 3? Is it mentioned in the question that an X is an integer? Why are you substituting X is an integer when it is not mentioned? Why are you assuming it when assumption is not allowed in data sufficiency? 11 power 1 by 3 power 3, 11. 11 is a 2-digit odd integer. 13 power 1 by 3 power 3, 13 is a 2-digit integer. 99, all these values are possible. More than one answer I am getting it. More than one answer I am getting. Then I will get into statement 2 alone. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive integer. That means same thing I can take. X could be 11 power 1 by 4, 13 power 1 by 4 and so on up to 99 power 1 by 4. 11 power 1 by 4, 13 power 1 by 4, 99 power 1 by 4. Again I got more than one answer. Again I got more than one answer. So statement 1 alone is not giving you answer. You know what you will do? 99% of the students will tick mark the answer as each statement alone is sufficient. I can bet it and I can say it with experience. Because of your half knowledge, because of the teachers who did not teach data sufficiency in the way it should be taught, you blindly will substitute x equivalent to 3. 3 cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer, 3 power 4 is 81. Answer is each statement alone, which is a mistake here. If a question has got 4 options, right answer is 3, wrong minus 1. Instead of getting right 3, you got wrong minus 1. Net score is minus 4. You do like that 4 incorrect. You are out of the game. Now if I combine both these 3, the value which will satisfy is x is 27 power 1 by 3, 81 power 1 by 4. If I substitute these values, 27 power 1 by 3 power 3 is 3. 81 power 1 by 4 power 4 is 3. That means answer for this question is not each statement alone is sufficient, but the answer is statement 1 and 2 together. Statement 1 and 2 together. Why each statement alone is not sufficient? Because in statement 1 it is not 3, it could be 11 power 1 by 3, 13 power 1 by 3 and so on up to 99 power 1 by 3. In statement 2, it cannot be 81 power 1 by 4, it could be 11 power 1 by 4 to 99 power 1 by 4. Each statement alone is a mistake. I hope you have understood the mistake. If you understand the mistake, then second time you will not do it. We are okay in doing new mistakes, but we are not okay in doing the same mistake twice. A very, very good question where the question seems to be easy, but very tricky. But very tricky question. Easy, but very tricky question. But very tricky question. Question number 1, I hope it is clear. Question number 2. Extremely good question, sir. Again an very easy but tricky question. Very easy but tricky question. 5z is an even number because you want 5z is an even number. Most of the students who has not listened to my basics, 5z is an even number, they will take z is an even number, which I told you, if nothing is specified about a variable, that variable will be a real number. That variable will be a real number. If it is a real number, it will be even number 2, 4, 6 or 8 and so on, or z could also be 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 5 and so on. Are you all with me? Z may not be an even number. Z may also be a fraction. Students who do not know the key point of data sufficiency may tend to tick mark the answer again as, again the mistake which you will do is each statement alone, each statement alone, each statement alone is the right answer, you may specify it, which is a mistake. Why? Because you have assumed that z is a natural number. I did not specify that z is a natural number. You are assuming and giving me the answer, which is an incorrect. I got more than one answer. Statement 1, I have got more than one answer. Now statement 2, 3z is an even number. Nothing is specified about that even z value. So z will be an even number. 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or z could be 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 3. Again I got z is an even number, z is a fraction. Again I got greater than one answer. Statement 1 I got greater than one answer. I went to statement 2. Again I got greater than one answer. Now I will combine. Now I will combine. Now if I do statement 1 plus 2 together, if I do statement 1 plus 2 together, phi z is an even number. If phi z is an even number and 3z is an even number, phi z is even and 3z is even, you do any of the mathematical operations. I am doing subtraction. You can do addition, all that things will not change the answer, because we are interested in knowing the nature of z. We are not interested in finding the value of z. Phi z minus 3z is 2z. 2z is an even number. 2z is an even number means even number is 2, 4, 6 or 8 and so on. So z will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here again students will do one more mistake. Here again students will do one more mistake. They will take 1. 1 is not an even number. No. 2 is an even number. Yes. So they will tick mark the answer as cannot be determined, because they have got the values of 1, 2, 3, 4 and something. It is a natural number set. Natural number set is a combination of even numbers and odd numbers. They will tick mark the answer as cannot be determined, which is incorrect. Important key point. Important key point. Listen carefully. Answer obtained after combining both the statements. Answer obtained after combining both the statements. After combining both the statements. Answer obtained after combining both the statements should satisfy the statements combined. Should satisfy the statements combined. What is this statement? We will read it, understand it and we will execute it. What is the key point? Answer obtained after combining both the statements. This is the answer obtained after combining both the statements. They should satisfy the statements combined. If I take z value 1, 5 into 1 5. Is 5 an even number? No. 2, 5 into 2, 10 is even. 3 into 2, 6 is even. That means z value 2 possible. Z3 is 5 into 3, 15 even? No. Is 3 into 3, 9 even? No. That means whatever the answers we got for z, 1, 2, 3, 4 and everything, only even numbers we have to take, because odd numbers are not satisfying the inputs we gave to get the output. This z is n 1, 2, 3 came from this input. If it is not satisfying the input, how can the output be a right answer? Z1 incorrect, Z3 incorrect, Z5 incorrect, all odd numbers are out. Remaining is 2, 4, 6 are right. All these are even numbers? Yes. Can I definitely say yes? Yes. I can definitely say definite yes. So answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. A classic case of easiest question. Students doing mistake because they either do not know the fundamentals, or they are impatient, or they did not solve this kind of questions which exactly comes in your examination. You ended up doing 500,000 questions which are formula centric. There was a point of a time where CAT was formula centric. There was a point of a time where bank and SSC was formula centric. Now it is all conceptual centric. Now it is all application centric. Now it is all about understanding of concepts. It is all about how to apply the concept and get the answer rather than memory based. Please put a star mark. Please write down this mistake and the previous mistake. I hope it is clear. I want everybody to reply in the live chat in case if you are enjoying the kind of questions which I prepared. Right? I took a lot of time in preparing that set of questions which makes a student think and realize that, shit man, this question was easy and I made it wrong. You give the same question to your friends who are preparing for CAT examination. I can say it with confidence, 90% of them will do wrong. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. I hope this statement is clear. If it is not visible to you, I will repeat it for you. Answer obtained after combining both the statements should satisfy the statements combined. Answer obtained after combining both the statements should satisfy the statements combined. Question number 2. I just don't want to get into question number 1 and 2. That is the reason first I discussed the flow chart. I discussed a few questions. Then I discussed a few warm-up questions. Then I got into a tricky questions. Question number 3. Question number 3. Another beautiful question. Read the question. If A and B are both positive integers, he has clearly mentioned that A and B are natural numbers. Question is starting with yes. Is B power A plus 1 minus B into A power B odd? It is starting with is. That means we are not interested in finding the values of A, B. The question is not starting with what is the value of A comma B. What we have to do it? We have to say definite yes or definite no. Definite yes or definite no. Definite yes or definite no. We have to do it. Now B power A plus 1 minus B into A power B. This is nothing but B into B power A minus B into A power B. B into B power A minus A power B. Is this expression odd? This is the question. Is this expression odd? B into B power A minus A power B. Is this expression odd? Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone. A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. These 5A. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. These 5A minus 8. It is an odd number. 5A minus 8, it is an odd number. Clearly mentioned that A and B are natural numbers. This is an even number. Odd minus even can only give me odd. 5 is an odd number. So A will be an odd number. A is an odd number. A is an odd number. It is clearly mentioned that B is a natural number. That means if I substitute B into B power A minus A power B. Because B is a natural number, B could be an odd number or B could be an even number. Let me take B value 3. Let me take B value 2. So 3 into 3 power. A is an odd number. I will take 1. 3 power 1 minus 1 power 3. B value 2 I will take. 2 power 1 minus 1 power 2. This will become 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 is an even number. Definite no. 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 2s are 2. 2 is an even number. That means I can definitely definite no. Definite no is as good as definite yes. I hope it is clear. First statement, give me 1 minute, sir. B power A plus 1 minus B into A power B. It is B into B power A minus B into A power B. B into B power A minus A power B. That multiplication of two terms should be an odd number. 5A minus 8 is an odd number. 8 is even. So that will be odd. A is odd. I took an A odd number. odd number. B is a natural number, so it could be odd or even. In both the cases, I got an even number. Answer is a definite no. That means statement 1 alone is giving me the answer definite no. Let me go to statement B. Statement 1 alone has given me answer. Statement B alone. Statement B is b cube plus 3b square plus 5b plus 7. This is an odd number. The best is take b value even or odd. Let us check. So 2 cube, you don't need to do, it is even. 3 into 2 square, it is even. 5 into 2, 10, it is even. 7 is an odd number. Even, it is even. Even plus odd, odd. So this is an odd number. B is 3. 3 cube is 27, odd. This is also odd. 5 into 3, odd. 7 is an odd number. Odd plus odd, even. Odd plus odd, even. I am getting even number. This is an answer, yes. This is an answer, no. I am getting two answers. So answer for this question is statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone is giving you the answer. I hope the idea is clear. Statement 1 alone is giving you the answer. You don't need to substitute the values. 2 cube even, 3 into 2 square even, 5 into 2, 10 even. These odd. B is 3, 27 odd. 4 3s are 12, right? 3 square, 9 into 3, 27 odd, odd, odd. Right? Just by substituting b even and odd number, you will get it. I hope the third problem is also clear. Slightly tricky question. Question number 4. Easy but tricky. Easy but tricky. Now see here. First statement. 5n by 18 is an integer. Statement 1 alone. 5n by 18 is an integer. N could be 18, n could be 36, n could be 54 and so on. N can also be 18 by 5, n can also be 36 by 5, 54 by 5 and so on. 5n by 18 integer. What is the mistake most of the students will do? They will take n as an integer. Nothing is specified that n is an integer. N will be a real number if nothing is specified. I hope it is clear. So statement 1 alone is giving me greater than one answer. Statement 1 alone is giving me greater than one answer. Now comes statement 2. 3n by 18 is an integer. If 3n by 18 is an integer, n by 6 is an integer. If n by 6 is an integer, n value will be 6, 12, all the multiples of 6, I will get it. 6, 12, 18, right? But is 6 by 18, 1 by 3 an integer? No. Is 18, if I substitute this, 6 by 18 is 1 by 3. It is not an integer. 18 by 18 is 1. Is 1 an integer? Yes. Again I am getting greater than one answer. Statement 1 is giving me greater than one answer. Statement 2 is giving me sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes yes and sometimes no is not valid in data sufficiency. I hope the idea is clear. Don't do a mistake that n is an integer and directly tell that statement 1 alone. The mistake which students will do is they will tick mark statement 1 alone as the right answer because they assumed n to be an integer. It is not given that the n is an integer. Idea clear? Statement 1 alone has given me greater than one answer. Statement 2 also has not given me a unique answer. Now what I will do is I will combine statement 1 plus 2 together. What I will do is I will do it here. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together I will do. That means 5n by 18 is an integer. 5n by 18 is an integer. 3n by 18 is an integer. If I subtract 2n by 18, integer minus integer is an integer. Integer. N by 9 is an integer. If n by 9 is an integer, n value will be all the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27 and so on. 9, 18, 27 and so on. But what is the golden rule that we discussed? Answer obtained should satisfy the quotients combined. Answer obtained should satisfy the quotients combined. I got n9. Is 5 into 9 by 18, 5 by 2, is it an integer? No. 5 into 27 by 18, is it an integer? No. So all 927 odd multiples of 9 are out. Only that will be remaining is 8, 13, 36, 54 and so on. All the multiples of 18 by 18 is an integer. So answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Very, very good question. All the questions are very carefully selected and are being discussed in the class, right? So that you will understand the mistake, we will do it. What is the first thing? Students will tick mark the answer to be statement 1 because they will take n as an integer. That is the first mistake. Second mistake is answer obtained should satisfy the questions combined. Even though you got 9, 18, 27, you may tick mark the answer as cannot be determined. But answer whatever I got should satisfy the statements combined. 9 will not satisfy, 18 will satisfy, 27 will not satisfy. So 9, 27, all the odd multiples of 9 are taken out. Even multiples of 9 are nothing but multiples of 18. Multiples of 18 divided by 18 will give me an integer. Question number 4. If you observe question number 4, there is a chance that you will do a mistake. Question number 3, right? Because it is just nothing but expanding the expression. Question number 2, again, if you do not know the fundamentals of data sufficiency, question number 2 will backfire. Question number 1 also will backfire. I hope it is clear. Question number 5, another beautiful question, sir. Sum of n consecutive positive integers is 45. First we will discuss a concept. Suppose if I take 1, 2, 3, average is nothing but middle value. Average is nothing but middle value, or it is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 is 2. That is the middle value. If 3 terms are there, so 1 term to the left, 1 term to the right. Suppose if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, average is nothing but 1 plus 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 2.5. It is not the term. There are 2 terms to the left, there are 2 terms to the right. I hope it is clear. If the number of elements are odd, average is nothing but the term. If the number of elements are even, average is not equivalent to the term. This concept is clear. I am going to use this concept here. Concept, if the number of terms, because it is said sum of n consecutive positive integers. N I don't know whether it is odd number or an even number, so I will use this concept. If number of elements are odd, average is the term. If the number of elements are even, average is nothing but the term. With this idea, let us solve this question. Listen carefully, sir. This is a little advanced level question. Based on number tree. Average is nothing but Sn by n. So it is nothing but 45 divided by n. Now let me take n. Let me take 45 by n. Let me take the series. Very easily you will get the series. If n is 1, it is 45. Series is just the number 45. These are not possible. Why? Because it is specified in the question that it is positive integers. More than 1 it is taken. N1, only one value I took it. n value 2, n value 2. I will write an example here. 1, 2, 3. Average is 2. Average is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Average is 2.5, which is not the term. Right? So 2. 45 by 2, which is 22.5. 22.5 means 20 to 23. Middle value is 22.5. Are you with me? N value 3. 45 by 3, which is nothing but 15. 15. So middle 3 means number of terms are odd. Odd means the value will be the middle value. 15. Total there are 3 terms possible. 1 before 15, 1 after 15. So it is 14 and 16. I hope it is clear. 4. 4 is nothing but 45 by 4, which is nothing but 11.25. It is not possible. It should be there in 0.5 format. Next one, n. 45 by n and series. N value 5. 45 by 5 is 9. 5 terms are there. 5 terms is odd. Middle value is 9. 2 before, 2 after. 11, 13, 5, 7. 12, 21, 34, 24, 33, 40, 45. I hope it is clear. 6. 45 by 6, which is nothing but 7.5. 7.5 means 7 and 8. 2 terms are over. 2 before, 2 after. I hope. No, 1 minute, sir. I took 9 right here. These 8, 7, 10, 11. I hope the idea is clear. Positive, right? I made a mistake. Odd numbers, I took it. 7, 8, 10, 11. 15, 24, 34, 45. 7 and 8. 6, 5. 9, 10. Idea clear? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 plus 18, 26, 35, 48. 7. 45 by 7. Decimals not possible. 8. 45 by 8. 45 by 8. Again, 8 means I should get 8 is number of terms even. I should get it in 0.5. N value 9. 45 by 9 is 5. That means middle value is 5. Before that 4 terms are there. After that 4 terms are there. Which is 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anything beyond 9 I cannot take because till 9 only the lowest value I got 1. Question is positive integers. I will get into a 0 range, 0 negative range. It is not possible. I hope it is clear. In this one, any doubt is there, please ask me, sir. Again, I am explaining some fundamental concepts which I used here. If the number of elements in consecutive positive integers, if it is odd, average is nothing but the middle value, which is a term. If the number of terms are odd, average is nothing but the middle value, which is not a term. I took n value 1. 45 by 1 is 45. 45, it is not possible because it is not possible. Why? Because number of consecutive positive integers 2. 22.5, 1.5 less, 0.5 more. 15 is the middle value. Totally 3 terms are there. 1 before, 1 after. 11.25 not possible. 5 means 9. Middle is 9. 2 before, 2 after. Here it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 6 is 7.5. 7 and 8. 2 before, 2 after. These are not possible. These are not possible. 9 it is possible. Right? Now, yes, Virat Kohli, there is one statement says each statement alone will satisfy. When the options are written as each statement alone is satisfied, you should do statement 1 alone, stop it, check statement 2 alone, stop it. Each statement individually it is giving. Already we did it in our warm-up questions. I hope it is clear. Now we will do one by one. What is statement 1? N is an even number. Which all values n even it is possible? n value 2 it is becoming possible, and n value 6 it is becoming possible. Right, two options I got. n is less than 9. Less than 9 means 2 it is possible, 3 it is possible, 2 it is possible, 3 it is possible, 5 it is possible, 6 it is possible. 4 values I got. If I combine both of them, n is an even number and n is less than 9. Even number 2 and 6 less than 9. So answer for this question is cannot be determined uniquely. Very good question, which also uses the definition of averages for consecutive positive integers. I hope this idea is clear. Please make a note of this question. This question is an advanced level question. This question is an advanced level question. I hope the idea is clear. Right, once you know how to find out that n 45 by n and series, it is clear. 45 by 3 is 15. 45 by n, average is nothing but the middle value. 15 will be there in the middle value. 3 terms are there, one left, one right. Consecutive means decrease 1, increase 1. 5 is there. 45 by 9 is 5. 9 is there in the middle value. One less and then one more. Are you with me? Right, absolutely. Very good question which uses the definition of averages. Please watch this call. Please go through this question again and again. Next one. Next one, another power based problems, another different variety of question. Is x greater than 10 power 10? X is greater than 2 power 34. Each statement 1 alone. So if I take 2 power 34, so this can be written as 2 power 10 power 3 into 2 power 4. 2 power 10 is 1024 power 3 into 2 power 4. 1024 is greater than 1000. 1000 power 3 into 2 power 4. 1000 is 10 cube power 3 into 2 power 4, which is nothing but greater than 16 into 10 power 9, which is greater than 1.6 into 10 power 10. That means 2 power 34 is greater than 1.6 into 10 power 10. 1.6 into 10 power 10. Question is asking it is only greater than 10 power 10. When 2 power 34 is greater than 1.6 into 10 power 10, 2 power 34 can definitely be greater than 10 power 10. Are you all with me? Statement 1 alone will give you the answer. Statement 2, when 2 power 34 is greater than 10 power 10, 2 power 35 will also be greater than 2 power 34. Each statement alone is sufficient. Each statement alone is sufficient to solve the question. Each statement alone is sufficient to solve this question. I hope the idea is clear. If up 2 power 34 is greater than 10 power 10, 2 power 35 will anyway be greater than 2 power 34. Idea clear? 2 power 35 is greater than 2 power 34. So answer is each statement alone will satisfy this question. Right? Seventh question. Inequality based problem. Every problem I kept a heading, sir, so that you will understand what are all the various concepts which I am discussing in this question. Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone. X minus y greater than minus 2. It could be anything, sir. If x is 4, y is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 is greater than minus 2. xy is 4 into 2. 8 is greater than 0. Suppose if I take x is 1, y is minus 5, which will become 1 minus of minus 5, 6. 6 is greater than minus 2. X into y, minus 5 is less than 0. This I am getting yes. This I am getting no. So I am getting greater than 1 answer. Greater than 1 answers. Similarly you can substitute the values and you will get the same conclusion. For statement 2 also you will get greater than 1 answer. So take some random values, you can do it by taking some random values. X is 3, y is 4, x is 1, y is 2, like that. Anything you can take it. Statement 1 alone, statement 2 alone. Again it is giving me greater than 1 answer. Now I need to combine. I am not interested in finding the values. I am interested in telling whether xy is greater than 0. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. X minus y greater than minus 2. That means 2x minus 2y is greater than minus 4. Right? So this will become 2y minus 2x is less than minus 4. 2y is less than plus 4. Sorry, I multiplied with negative sign, so inequality changes. What is the second equation? X minus 2y is less than minus 6. Minus minus cancel. Minus x is less than minus 2. That means x is greater than 2. I got the domain of x as x greater than 2. I hope it is clear. X as domain as x greater than 2. What I did, y I cancelled. So what I will do is, I will do x cancelling. X minus y is greater than minus 2. Y minus x is less than 2. X minus 2y is less than minus 6. Add it. Minus x plus x cancel. Minus y is less than minus 4. Y is greater than 4. Y is greater than 4 means y is greater than 0. X is greater than 2 means x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Greater than into greater than. Answer is a definite yes. Answer is a definite yes. So answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. I hope the idea is clear. Statement 1 plus 2 together. You don't need to find out the values of x. Just understand where the x is starting from. Anything x greater than 0 is nothing but a positive, because xy greater than 0 means positive into positive positive, negative into negative positive. Idea clear, right? So answer is x greater than 0, y greater than 0. So xy greater than 0. 7th question. 8th question. Very easy question. This is probably the easiest question in today's entire content. If r plus s is greater than 2t, if r plus s is greater than 2t, if r plus s is greater than 2t, statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone is t is greater than s. If I add these both, r plus s plus t is greater than 2t plus s. S cancel. S is greater than t. S cancel, sorry. R is greater than t. R is greater than t means statement 1 alone. Definitely yes, it is satisfying. Let us do statement 2 alone. If I do statement 2 alone, what is statement 2? R plus s is greater than 2t. R is greater than s. Again if I add it, R plus s plus R is greater than 2t plus s. Again R is greater than t. R is greater than t means statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone is also giving. So answer for this question is each statement alone is enough. Each statement alone is enough to solve this question. Add this to, add this to. Very, very easy question. You don't need to substitute any of the values to check it. Just both are greater than inequalities. Keep adding, keep adding. Right? Next question number 9. Question number 9. Right? Question number 9. Question number 10. There are a lot of good questions. Let me take some tricky questions. I think we will take the 16th question. Please see the 16th question. What is the perimeter of isosceles triangle ABC? Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. unequal side is the base. Two sides are equal, unequal side is the base. As I told at the beginning of the class, today on account of Teachers' Day, all the videos, classes, whatever I am taking today, that will be available for public after watching also. You can watch these videos at any point of a time. You can download the videos, you can share the videos, you can do whatever want, right? So in case if you really enjoy live class, please go through the class, because in the live class a lot of that points will happen. It is like a live communication happening between two individuals, right? In case if you want to watch it again, that is also perfectly okay, right? What is the perimeter of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal and unequal side is the base. This is the definition of an isosceles triangle. Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone. The length of side AB is 9. So 9 could be the equal side and 9 could be the unequal side. So two cases I will get. 9 comma 9 comma x I will get. Unequal side will be y comma 9. We don't know the values of x and y. We only know that x and y are nothing but the sides. Statement 2 alone. We don't know. It could be 18 plus x or 2y plus 9. Depending upon the values of x and y, the value will change. So answer I will get greater than one answer. Greater than one answer. Similarly, length of side BC is 4. 4 means it could be an equal side or it could be an unequal side. Equal side or an unequal side. So it could be 4 comma 4 comma x, or it could be y comma 4. Y comma y comma 4. Again I will get greater than one answer. One answer. Now I have to combine statement 1 alone and statement 2 alone. This is an easy question but tricky question. Easy but tricky. What is that mistake students will do it? You will understand when I am combining both. Statement 1 plus 2. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. AB is 9. BC is 4. If AB is the equal side, 9 comma 9 comma 4. If BC is the equal side, 4 comma 4 comma 9. So immediately students might tick mark the answer as mistake as cannot be determined because I got two parameters. But for a triangle, there is a basic property. Sum of two sides should be greater than third side. Sum of two sides should be greater than third side. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is not greater than 9, so it is eliminated. Even though you got two answer, second answer is eliminated. Only one answer I got, perimeter 22. So answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. I hope the idea is clear, right? None of these questions, none of the mistakes, whatever you do it, right? You will be discussed. Generally, you will find thousands of channels. Question, answer, question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. And they will tell you, Bacho, please tell the answer and everything. Here I will teach. You just have to listen. I will not waste in smaller amount of your time also, because I know that will not work also. Telling you to answer, doing all tamashas and everything. If the content is good, students who want to learn actual content, after the class is over, you can watch the videos again, right? You will understand the value. Statement 1 plus 2 together. Triangle, sum of two sides should be greater than third side. Please don't forget that. The mistake which you will do is cannot be determined. 16th. Next one. Another, I think this also is a very, very good question. Is the measure of one of the interior angle of ABCD equivalent to 60 degrees? Easy asking. One angle equivalent to 60 degrees is That means answer should be definite yes or definite no. Two of the interior angles are right angles. Two angles are right angles. A, B, C, D. So two angles are right angles. Can I say sum of four angles in a quadrilateral is 180? This could be a possibility. This could also be another possibility. Yes or no? 90 plus 90, 180, 120 plus 60, 180, 360. Here one angle is 60. Here one angle is not 60. That means this is giving you answer yes. This is giving you answer no. I got greater than one answer. That means statement 1 alone cannot be the answer. Statement 2. Angle B is twice the angle of angle C. Angle B is twice the angle of angle C. If this is 60, this is 120, this could be 90, 90, 90, 90, or this could be, if it is 45, this could be 90, this could be 135, this could be 135, and this could be 90. Are you all with me? Right? So angle B is twice the angle of angle C. Angle B is twice the angle of angle C. Angle B is twice the angle of angle C. This could be AD. Now again I got one angle is 60 and here also one angle is not 60. Yes or no? Yes or no? Again two answers we got it. Two answers we got it. So first one is not giving, second one also it is not giving. So answer is statement 1 alone cannot give the answer, statement 2 alone. Now even if I combine, two angles are 90 degrees. If I combine statement 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, two angles should be 90 degrees. Two angles should be 90 degrees. One is twice the angle. So this could be the case or this could be the case. Again two cases I am getting where one is 60, another is not 60. So answer for this question is cannot be determined. Answer for this question is cannot be determined uniquely. Cannot be determined uniquely. Cannot be determined uniquely because two diagrams are there. Two diagrams, one diagram has got angle 60, one diagram has got does not have angle 60. Answer for this question is cannot be determined. This you should know this. You don't directly take 60 and 120. Another easy question but a tricky question. Another easy question but a tricky question. 15th one. 14th one. Another easy question but a tricky question. 99% of the students will do a mistake in this question. Easy but tricky. First read this question. I will tell you what is the mistake that you will do is 14th one. Martha bought several pencils. Each pencil was either 23 cent, you consider it as 23 rupees or 21 rupees. How many 23 cent pencils Martha buy? So that means there is a pencil, it seems, each cost 23 rupees or each cost 21 rupees. Statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone is, suppose the number of pencils she bought for 23 rupees is X, 21 it is Y. Now total number of pencils are X plus Y is 6. X plus Y 6 means it is 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4 and so on. We cannot uniquely say it greater than one answer. Statement 1 is giving you greater than one answer. Statement 2. Statement 2. Total value of the pencils Martha bought was 130. 23x plus 21y equivalent to 130. Just a little bit of mathematics, if you do it, you will get the answer. This unit digit is 0. If y is 1, 1 ones are 1. X should be 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 23 3s are 69. 69 plus 21 is 90. But I want 130. Y value 1 not possible. Y value 2. 1 2s are 2. I should get 8. Which number multiplied by 3 I will get 8. 3 6 are 18. 23 6 are 118. 118 plus 21 2s are 42. I got 160. Not possible. If y value I take it as 4. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. X value will be 2. 23 2s are 46. 21 4s are 84. Which is 130. Which is 130. That means x value 6, x value 2 and y value 4. x2, y4. This is only satisfying. When I am doing statement 2, statement 1 does not exist. So x value 2, y4 is asking how many 23 cent pencils did Martha buy? X value 2. So answer for this question is statement 2 alone. Answer for this question is statement 2 alone. I hope it is clear.
విరామం లేని విజయాలతో దూసుకుపోతున్న అనిల్ నాయక్ క్లాసెస్ విద్యార్థులు మీరు కూడా అనిల్ నాయక్ యాప్ లో కోచింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్నారా? ఎస్ఎస్సి, బ్యాంక్, ఐబీపీఎస్ పిఓ, ఆర్ఆర్బి, ఎస్బీఐ పిఓ, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, కంపెనీ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్, క్యాట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇలా 60కి పైగా యాప్ట్యూడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ లో క్రాక్ చేయండి. అన్ని యాప్ట్యూడ్ క్లాసెస్లు అనిల్ నాయక్ గారే తీసుకుంటారు. ఒక యాప్ట్యూడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని 10 లేదా 20 సెకండ్స్ లో సాల్వ్ చేయడం ఎలాగా అని షార్ట్ కట్స్ మెథడ్ నేర్పిస్తారు. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అలాగే ప్రీ రికార్డెడ్ కోర్సెస్, ఎస్ఎస్సి, బ్యాంక్, క్యాట్, DAO నోటిఫికేషన్ అన్నిటికీ సపరేట్ గా కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, వెంటనే యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు నచ్చిన కోర్స్ కొనుక్కోండి, జాబ్ కొట్టేయండి. విరామం లేని విజయాలతో దూసుకుపోతున్న అనిల్ నాయక్ క్లాసెస్ విద్యార్థులు మీరు కూడా అనిల్ నాయక్ యాప్ లో కోచింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్నారా? ఎస్ఎస్సి, బ్యాంక్, ఐబీపీఎస్ పిఓ, ఆర్ఆర్బి, ఎస్బీఐ పిఓ, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, కంపెనీ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్, క్యాట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇలా 60కి పైగా యాప్ట్యూడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ లో క్రాక్ చేయండి. అన్ని యాప్ట్యూడ్ క్లాసెస్లు అనిల్ నాయక్ గారే తీసుకుంటారు. ఒక యాప్ట్యూడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని 10 లేదా 20 సెకండ్స్ లో సాల్వ్ చేయడం ఎలాగా అని షార్ట్ కట్స్ మెథడ్ నేర్పిస్తారు. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అలాగే ప్రీ రికార్డెడ్ కోర్సెస్, ఎస్ఎస్సి, బ్యాంక్, క్యాట్, DAO నోటిఫికేషన్ అన్నిటికీ సపరేట్ గా కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, వెంటనే యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు నచ్చిన కోర్స్ కొనుక్కోండి, జాబ్ కొట్టేయండి.